Are you on the lookout for captivating Turkish web series to dive into? If you're not familiar with the Turkish language, don't worry, you can enjoy these series with English subtitles. Let's embark on this exciting journey through storytelling. 1. The Tailor, Terzi. Peyami Dokumak, a renowned young tailor, inherits his grandfather's successful business and his exceptional talent. However, with his grandfather's passing, Peyami must confront a deeply hidden secret, his father, who struggles with mental illness. Bringing his father to Istanbul, Peyami strives to care for him, while keeping his condition hidden from society. As he navigates the complexities of his personal and professional life, can Peyami maintain the delicate balance, or will his secret unravel everything he's built? To witness Peyami's poignant journey, watch The Tailor. 2. As the Crow Flies, Kusu Kusu. Asl, a young and ambitious journalism student, idolized the seasoned news anchor Lale Kiran. Determined to make her mark, Asl maneuvers her way into Lale's newsroom as an intern. However, she soon confronts the dark side of ambition, envy, and the relentless desire to be seen. As Asl's admiration turns into obsession, how far will she go to achieve her dreams? To delve into this gripping tale of ambition and morality, watch As the Crow Flies. 3. Shehmaran. Sesu, a determined lecturer, travels to Adana with the intention of confronting her estranged grandfather. Upon arrival, she becomes entangled with a mysterious community known as the Mar, who believe in the legend of Shehmaran, a symbol of love and wisdom. As Sesu's path crosses with Maran, she finds herself at the center of an ancient prophecy. Will she embrace her destiny, or will the secrets of the past consume her? To uncover the mysteries that await Sesu, watch Shehmaran. 4. Another Self, Zeytin Ark. 3 close friends, Ada, a successful surgeon, Sevgi, an ambitious lawyer, and Leela, a devoted mother, share a deep bond that has withstood the test of time. When Sevgi is diagnosed with cancer, she chooses an unconventional path, leading the trio on a journey to Ayvalık, in search of a mysterious man named Zaman. This quest not only challenges their friendship, but also forces them to confront their past traumas and reshape their futures. Will this journey heal their wounds, or deepen their scars? To follow their transformative adventure, watch Another Self. 5. Midnight at the Pera Palace. Isra, a young journalist, is assigned to write an article about the historic Pera Palace Hotel in Istanbul. During her stay, she accidentally discovers that one of the rooms serves as a portal to the year 1919. Thrust into a political conspiracy against Mustafa Kemal Ataturk, Isra must navigate the challenges of the past to safeguard the future. With the help of Ahmet, the hotel's resourceful doorman, can Isra protect the course of history? To experience this enthralling blend of time travel and intrigue, watch Midnight at the Pera Palace. 6. Thank You, Next. After enduring the heartbreak of her first love, ending in betrayal, Leela Taylan, a successful lawyer, becomes the representative of Tuba Tepeliolu in a high-profile divorce case. As she delves into the complexities of love and relationships, Leela navigates the modern dating scene with the unwavering support of her best friends. Will she find true love, or will her past continue to haunt her? To join Leela on her journey of self-discovery and romance, watch Thank You, Next. 7. The Protector, Hakan Muhafs. Hakan, a young shopkeeper in modern Istanbul, discovers his ties to a secret ancient order tasked with protecting the city from an immortal enemy. Bestowed with mystical powers through a talismanic keepsake, Hakan embarks on a perilous quest to fulfill his destiny. As he grapples with his newfound responsibilities, can Hakan save Istanbul from impending doom? To witness his heroic journey, watch The Protector. 8. The Gift, Atiye. Atiye, a painter in Istanbul, leads a contented life until she uncovers a symbol at an Anatolian archaeological site that connects to her past. Embarking on a personal journey, Atiye unearths universal secrets that challenge her perception of reality. What is the significance of this symbol, and how does it intertwine with her destiny? To explore the mysteries that Atiye unravels, watch The Gift. 9. Love 101, Ask 101. Set in 1990s Turkey, a group of teenage outcasts, Sinan, Kerim, Eda, and Usman, band together to make their beloved teacher fall in love, ensuring she has a reason to stay in town and continue teaching them. As they navigate the trials of adolescence, they discover the true meaning of friendship, love, and self-acceptance. Will their plan succeed, or will it lead to unforeseen consequences? To follow their heartfelt journey, watch Love 101. 10. Creature, Yaratlan. Set in the late Ottoman era, this gripping series follows Zia, an ambitious medical student, and Ihsan, a genius doctor with a dangerous vision. Desperate to cure deadly diseases, they conduct a forbidden experiment, one that defies nature and spirals into chaos. As their creation takes on a life of its own, they must confront the terrifying consequences of their actions. Can they undo what they've unleashed, or is it too late? To uncover the truth, watch Creature, Yaratlan. That wraps up our list of the top 10 best Turkish web series. Have you watched any of these? Let me know your favorites in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Turkish drama recommendations. See you in the next one.